Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift wrapping option in your WooCommerce store and charge a small fee for it at checkout. This is useful if you sell products that are often purchased as gifts and you want to give customers an easy way to request gift wrapping without handling it manually. By default, WooCommerce doesn't give you a built-in option to add something like gift wrapping at checkout. So store owners usually handle this in two ways. Either they don't offer it at all, or they manage it manually through notes or messages, which is not reliable. What we want instead is a simple setup where the customer can choose gift wrapping and the fee gets added automatically. So let's go step by step and set this up. First, make sure you have installed and activated the WooCommerce Extra Fees plugin on your WooCommerce store. Once done, go to your WordPress dashboard, then click on the .store plugins and open the WooCommerce Extra Fees plugin menu. Here, you can create a gift wrapping fee for your WooCommerce store. To create a new fee rule, simply click on the Add New button. We have already created one gift wrapping fee, as you can see here, so let's click on the Edit button to review the configuration. First, we will configure the basic settings. Here, you can enable the status to apply the fee on the front end. You can enter the fee title here, which will be displayed to your customers during checkout. Next, select the fee type as fixed or percentage. We will go with the fixed option and enter the fee amount. For example, we have entered $3 here. After that, there are some additional settings you can configure if needed. To apply the gift wrapping fee as optional, you must set this option to yes. Then, you can select how the fee will be displayed, either as a checkbox, drop-down, or a radio button. For now, we will go with the checkbox option. If you want this gift wrapping option to be selected by default at checkout, you can enable this setting. Otherwise, you can leave it unchecked. Next, you can add a description for the optional fee. This will be shown to customers during checkout. For example, you can add something like, "Do you want this product with gift wrapping?" This helps customers clearly understand the purpose of the fee. After that, we have the conditional fee rules section. Here, you can define when this fee should be applied on the cart and checkout pages. You can apply this fee based on location, specific products, attributes, user roles, or cart conditions. There are many options available, and you can configure them based on your requirements. The fee will only be applied when the defined conditions are matched on the cart or checkout page. Once all the configuration is done, simply scroll down and click on Update or Save to apply the fee rule. As you can see, the fee has been updated successfully. Now, let's check how this fee is applied on the front end of our e-commerce store. So, we are now on the shop page of our WooCommerce store. Let's add one of the products to the cart to view the gift wrapping fee. Now, let's go to the cart page and click on the Proceed to Checkout button. On the checkout page, as you can see, a new section is displayed before the payment gateway options for the optional fee. Here, you can see the gift wrapping option along with the description that we added from the backend. Once you check this option, the gift wrapping fee will be automatically applied to the order. If you leave it unchecked, the fee will not be applied. Now, let's add the fee to the order, fill in the required billing details, and complete the order to see how the gift wrapping fee appears on the order page. As you can see, the order has been created successfully, and the gift wrapping fee is applied correctly to the WooCommerce order. So, this is how it works using the WooCommerce Extra Fees plugin to create an optional fee. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful and want more WooCommerce tutorials and updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.